Before even the pandemic, 52% of businesses plan to outsource their processes in 2019. This has become more true after the pandemic, and the need for virtual assistants has grown rapidly. In this video, I'm going to show you the best niches for virtual assistants so that you can be the go-to person for these companies that need your services. Before we get started, I produce content on making money online, computer tech tips, and freelancing. If you love this topic, subscribe now and hit the bell notification so as you don't miss when I upload videos like this. If you don't know who a virtual assistant is, go to the video in the description and watch it first, then come back to this one, okay? Let's go to the first niche, social media manager. Are you good with Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and other social platforms like TikTok? If you are, this is the niche for you. In this tech era, businesses know that they should have an online presence to connect with their potential buyers and followers, as well as engage with them. This is where you come in. What they need you to do is 1. Be active on their social media accounts. This means that you need to log in to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and be on the lookout for comments left on their posts or any interactions on their videos. 2. Writing and scheduling of posts. This means that you need to be writing posts for Facebook, sometimes even Instagram and Twitter, so that their viewers may engage with the posts for you to be able to be active in their social media platforms. 3. Finding shareworthy articles. This means whenever the company does not share any information, you need to go out there and find other articles written by other people or companies that are in the same industry as your clients. When you find those articles, the articles are normally helpful to the company's followers. Therefore, you find those articles and share it on their Facebook, share it on their LinkedIn, share it on Instagram, create captions, and you are able to share them online. 4. Responding to messages. This is self-explanatory, which means you can respond to Facebook inboxes, Instagram, and even email inboxes. 5. Designing social media captions and thumbnails. I know most of you know Instagram captions and thumbnails. Thumbnails are for YouTube videos. This means that you need to learn basic design so that you may be able to design social media captions for Instagram and thumbnails for YouTube. And 6. Editing social media videos and more. As a virtual assistant, you need to learn how to edit social media videos, which help boost their social media platforms in terms of engagement, because videos are the current trend. Now, if you find yourself on Facebook and Instagram all the time, then you can become a social media manager. You see the gist? Number 2, WordPress or blog manager. Many businesses have websites that run on content management system called WordPress. Your job is to help them manage their content at the back end of their website. Website designers who have started their design careers can offer this as a service. If you're completely new to this, you can still take a WordPress course and be able to learn the skill. As a WordPress manager, you will do things like posting articles on the blog, setting up additional plugins or templates, adding new pages, managing updates, backups, and security. I remember when I used to write articles, a client contacted me to write articles, but also wanted me to format and post articles on their website. This included even posting images. If I did not know how to use WordPress, I could have not gotten the job. And let me show you the job here on Upwork, and also some of the articles that I posted on the client's website. I will be creating a video for beginners to show you how you can be able to learn this skill and also how you can be able to earn with it. So if you're new and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do right now so that you can be able to watch that video when I upload it. Number 3 is video editing. Video marketing has become so crucial that businesses are having YouTube channels and branding themselves on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Arming yourself with video editing skills will give you an upper hand to upselling your clients as well as increasing your rate. Some of the clients normally require virtual assistants who have video editing skills, meaning they need you to do everything for their social media. They do not need to hire multiple people to do different things, but they only want a one-stop shop. So having this skill in your portfolio is a good thing. You might be able even to charge even $30 per hour. To learn this skill, there are a lot of video editing tutorials on YouTube, as well as many free softwares that you can learn to accomplish your clients' needs. And since this is my main expertise, I want you to subscribe, because upcoming videos will be about video editing and what is currently trending in this niche. I want to teach you the small skills that are required to do social media videos, that you may be able to offer the same to your clients and be able to earn online like I am. So watch out. Number 4 is administrative support. Administrative virtual assistants are usually referred to as general virtual assistants. They usually specialize in several tasks. Taking a job as an admin assistant can help any beginner learn the ropes of being a virtual assistant. These jobs include scheduling of appointments, data entry, bookkeeping flights, responding to emails, and invoicing. As you can see, these are normal office services that are normally offered by office assistants or even secretaries. So if you feel that you are good in customer care, or have undertaken a course in secretarial, office assistant, or management, then you can also consider this as a skill that you can learn. Number 5 is lead generation. Lead generation is the process of finding people or persons who might be interested or show interest in the service or products of a company. This means that a lead generation expert is someone who specializes in generating leads for the businesses. Basically, you will be finding people who will be turned into customers through marketing and promotion. The information to find includes website links, Instagram accounts, email address, phone numbers, and LinkedIn account. This means a company is looking for a certain category of people so that they may be able to market their products for them. So this company hires you to look for these people or companies, to look for their Instagram accounts, to look for their email addresses, to look for phone number, or even LinkedIn account. If I'm to hire somebody, I can be able to hire somebody to find me top influencers in Kenya so that I may be able to market my video editing services to them. Basically, that is what I'm talking about. So the skills that you need for lead generation are Microsoft Excel, you need to understand it. Research, you need to have very good research, online research using Google. Data entry, meaning typing on Excel or even Word document. And list building, that is building a list, which is part of the job. So guys, niching down is usually one of the best strategies in earning money online. What I need you to do is pick a niche. Watch my video on how to get free training. Video is in the description. Go learn and like this video so that YouTube can show this video to others who can benefit from it. Subscribe and see you in the next video.